Hey, what's up guys? I'm bringing you another little recipe to avoid stomach noises. It's a simple one. It's a breakfast idea that should keep you pretty satisfied up until whenever you need to eat lunch. And let's just get right into it.
Why do they keep on going? Why don't they ever slow down? Why can't you seem to stop them? Why am I frowning now?
All right, so this little recipe is just a breakfast idea if you need to make something pretty quick on the go. And I'm gonna keep it short and simple. What it is you wanna have a couple eggs, 2 to 3 eggs. You can make them however you want. And then you're gonna use some like olive oil or coconut oil or whichever oil you would like to use, whichever you prefer. And on that you can add some like spices while you're making the eggs. And what I like to do is cut up some green onions, not regular onions but green onions, and throw them in there as I'm cooking them. Then it all gets kind of nice and combined, gives the eggs a little bit of a crunch and a texture, so you're not just eating a bunch of slimy kind of foods, because eggs can be very soft and sometimes you want a little chew action in there. You want something to bite. And the last ingredient that you will add is an avocado, and you can slice it up, put it on top, maybe even squeeze a little bit of a lemon on there. And on top of that, while you're making the eggs, you can also throw in some leafy green vegetables. That could be like arugula, spinach, lettuce, pretty much whatever type of green leafy vegetable you want to put on there. That'll give it some more chewability. That'll make it more chewy. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You could also throw in a little bit of hot sauce on there, like sriracha, or if you like hot sauce, you can throw some hot sauce on there too. That should be safe from causing any stomach noises. Make sure the avocado that you eat and select is ripe. It should not be rock hard to the touch. It should not be able to puncture somebody's skull. It should be soft enough to where it's pretty easy to cut open and chew, and it should be creamy because it's a nice, wholesome, whole, fatty food. Anyways, I hope you like this little recipe idea. Very simple. Sometimes the simplest foods and simplest recipes can be the best ones to keep you satisfied and to keep your gut just under control and keep it from just screaming out and making a fuss. So hope you guys have a good one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later.